Wala, panalo palang order dito. Fish fillet with rice. Mainit-init pa. Wala, panalo palang order dito. Ito malaki, dapat malaki. Hindi siya, pwede na yun. Pareho ang presyo. Okay. Huh? This one how much? Huh? Which one is this 26 with rice or not?
26 please.
Okay, rice how much? Bigay mami. Rice how much? Canton sauce? No rice this one? Because I need like 30 real. Fish and rice. No problem?
Fish and rice.
Yeah, 30 real. Okay. Total how much? 30 real. No problem.
Fish cuts?
38 only 19. 30 only budget.
Huh?
30 only budget. So same 19.
Same.
Because budget only 19. 30.
Get same.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Terus nih man. Dawaran tayo pagkatapos. How much this one? 20? 19. Nakalas sa
Drink?
drink Mountain Dew.
Medium?
Yeah, medium only.
Lumpia?
Sorry? Well, how much lumpia?
This time real?
Only this one for a while. I will come back if bring this one.
You change with me?
Because we will
Change? 22.
22, no. Only this one I have, real.
You want ATM?
ATM, no. We only visit. We're from Qatar. Only I have 100 change.
Welcome to the another year.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Qatar nice, right?
Yeah, Qatar. Qatar. Only 2 days visit. So nakuha na natin yung ating order. So ito na yung ating change.
Salamat, sir.
Salamat, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Drink.
Ayun, my drink. Thank you.
Welcome, come again.
So ito na yung ating drink. Hati na tayo rito. Hindi ka umorder ng drink. Order ka? Meron ka ba? Nakalimutan ko, tubig dapat eh. Ito na order ko. So ito na yung ating change.
Kumatok pa niya, matunaw na kagad. Pag gusto mo mag-connect ng wifi, magsabi ka ha?
Oo, wala.
Lasang Pinoy din.
Sa Pinoy din. Kaya. Ang daming mga kabayan dito. Isipin natin importante. Fish fillet with rice. Mainit-init pa. Mainit-init pa. Tara, kain muna tayo. Sarap po, kondor. Hindi makabukhang bibig. What's your food for today? For tonight? Oh, KFC. Wow! KFC from Saudi Arabia. Oh. Tonight, the best food for Al Hayat Mall, Al Hayat Plaza for passerby.